I cannot believe it's been 10 years since Microsoft released Windows 10 to the public. It was a free upgrade for anyone running Windows 8.1 and Windows 7. Some took the opportunity to upgrade, some didn't, or some had their computer disobey them and upgraded to Windows 10 anyway. Because feelings, I guess.
They'll expect their devices to listen to them.
Uh-huh. Sure. Today is July 29th, 2025. And as Windows 10 end of support is right around the corner, let's go back in time and see how far Windows 10 evolved throughout the years. But first, let's start with Windows 8.1. You may notice that I have a lot of apps installed, and if we take a look at the start screen, you can see that as well. We also have all these great apps that came with Windows 8.1. We have the calendar app here, which is my password has changed. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, so right click, what's next? Day. This is the day view. Work week. Nope. Week. Nope. And month. And yeah, there it is. It's the calendar app. We also have people, which doesn't really work anymore. I doubt anyone uses it actually, so there's that. We have Skype that doesn't work anymore. Go away. I know how to use Windows. Go away. We also have the weather application, which is apparently 61 degrees Celsius. And, I can tell you already, this is not correct. It is not 61 degrees Celsius. Actually, let me change this to Fahrenheit. Oh, it's okay. So no matter if it's Celsius or Fahrenheit, it would always say 61. And it is not 61 outside, fun fact. And it is not raining, so I don't know where this weather app is getting this information, even though it was last updated today. We have the Internet Explorer, which opens up this. We have the store, which unfortunately doesn't work, but it used to work, but Microsoft killed the app, so it doesn't work anymore. We have the maps here. Yeah, so surprisingly, it still works. Let's see, can we go to oh yeah, look at this. It works, look at that. So yeah, we can go in and zoom in, and yeah, as you can see, we have the area view of the map. We have OneDrive. Fun fact, it was originally called SkyDrive, but some company with the name of Sky didn't like it and forced Microsoft to change the name from SkyDrive to OneDrive. And we have photos here with all the goodness pictures here. We can take a look at the stocks here and my money. Mortgage calculator. Yeah, as you can tell already, most of the apps doesn't work anymore because, well, Microsoft killed it. Sports, yep, doesn't work. News, MSN News, and there's nothing. But oh, there's topics. You can add a topic. Oh, wait, whoa, what was that? What was that flash? What was that flash? What was that flash? I'm trying to. Oh, I'm guessing it's like getting the topics from Bing.com, but oh, I know. Let's do Minecraft because why not? Oh, it does work. Let's add a new topic. Let's try Microsoft. Oh yeah, it does work. But the homepage doesn't work at all. I'll put the search bar. Oh yeah, so the news app or the MSN News app works. What happens if I click on the article? Oh, it just okay, it just redirects you to MSN's homepage instead. Can I like click on anything? No, I don't want to. No, I don't want to install Microsoft Edge. No. How about this one? Oh, now you work? Okay, now it's working. Oh, how to hard boil eggs. Oh, it just okay. So I guess it just opens up whatever browser you have instead. No thanks, Apple. Music. Oh, updates available. Okay. Oh. Okay, fine, get the update, even though you're not gonna connect to the store because Microsoft killed it. Video. And yes, I know Microsoft recently killed the Movies and TVs app on Windows 10. So, yeah, it's check back soon. Create an Xbox profile. Does this work? Oh, sorry, this item is no longer available from Xbox. Try searching for it. A new version of that may be available. Whatever. Yep, and we have the settings here, which definitely changed in Windows 10. But yeah, as you can see, we could do all that stuff. And by the way, yes, Word works. And yeah, as you can see, Word works. We have PowerPoint here. And we have the... Oh, we have this version of OneNote. Oh, play video now. Yep, it's gonna open up, wait. This isn't OneNote, why? This isn't OneNote, why did it open up in Excel? I clearly clicked on, like, well, let's try tool. Oh, okay, I guess it just redirects you to Excel, even though that's clearly the wrong app. Whatever. Microsoft, you should fix this so it doesn't redirect this to a wrong app, but whatever. So, let's get started and upgrade to Windows 10 version 1507, aka build 10,240. Alright, yep, there it is. Tab to choose what happens to this disk. Yes, launch setup.exe. And we will be greeted with the similar or the old version, much identical to Windows 8. And it wasn't before later versions of Windows 10. Microsoft decided to finally change it to match with the Windows 10 scheme. Accept the license agreement, making sure I am ready to install. Yep, I'm still here. It's surely taking a long while for it to get ready, but we will get there eventually. Wow, it's really taking a sweet time to making sure my system is ready to install or upgrade. By the way, if you're wondering, yes, this desktop may look familiar to that one video I did back in 2020, so about like 5 years ago. Oh, it's ready. 5 years ago that I did the whole upgrade thing, but instead of doing it on Windows 8 to Windows 10 and so on, I did it from Windows 7 and upgraded directly to all the builds of Windows 10. And what I did was I took the same virtual machine, then I upgraded to Windows 8. Well, first I have to upgrade to Windows 8.0, which is Windows 8, because I cannot directly upgrade to Windows 8.1 from Windows 7, even though the logic doesn't make sense. If Microsoft allows you to upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 7, but not Windows 7 to Windows 8.1 without upgrading to Windows 8 first, then upgrading to Windows 8.1. Well, I mean, you can technically upgrade to Windows 7 to Windows 8.1 directly, but that's not really keeping all the system settings or installed apps or anything. It's pretty much saving your personal files and that's it. Alright, that's the last time you will ever see the restarting screen. Hey, look at that. Look at the upgrading Windows screen. And to be honest with you, I love this screen compared to what we have on Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows 12 or whatever. Because I feel like Microsoft put a lot of love and effort on this screen than that thing. And of course, apparently according to Microsoft's blog on why they did that is for consistency's sake. Alright, welcome back. This is Windows 10. We are no longer in Windows 8. There's microphone here with blob. Get going fast. You can do all this stuff here. Oh, we got the new apps here. The funny thing is Windows 11 doesn't show you this new apps thing. Oh, hi. Oh, they're setting things up for me. Oh, that's good. Oh, haha. Oh, it isn't Windows 10 without its infamous updates. Yeah, no, yeah, you're not kidding. This might take a while. Haha. Oh, back in a moment. Okay. Alright. I'm guessing it's gonna restart the computer. Oh, it didn't. It just... Okay. But yeah, it's my lock screen and took my picture with it. And this is the new login screen, and yes, oh my gosh, it even shows my email. Whatever you do, don't try and email this because I will not respond to you. Updates are done. Now we'll set up my apps. Even though I thought I was supposed to restart the computer, but it didn't do it this time. But yeah, this won't take long. Let's start. Yes, let's start. Alright, here we are. Here's my wallpaper, and yeah, I need to change this resolution. Or looks like I need to reinstall VMware Tools because it looks pretty wonky. But yeah, this is Windows 10. Oh yeah. Skype works. And if you want to know how I got Skype working again, you can check out my blog in the video description. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, so Skype works. I've got Teams there. I have Skype for Business because I forgot this version of Microsoft Office decided to install Skype for Business. So technically Skype is not dead. Tap to choose. Yeah, tap. Yep, it didn't do anything. Finding myself. Yes, I would like to run VMware Tools by Broadcom because Broadcom owns it now. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, that's the Windows 7's sound scheme that was carried over. We need to fine whatever. I thought you said updates were done. You lied to me. Oh, I need to reinsert the CD again. Get out of here. Get out of here. I should probably disable this on startup because I can tell it kind of gets annoying. There it is. I just heard that thing. How much we start the computer? Fine. Let's restart. And okay, I just got really. Why is it getting Windows ready? What is? Oh my gosh. All right, let me go ahead and change the screen resolution so it doesn't look all wonky. Looks better. And on the topic of the settings app, take a look at the settings app here. Yeah, as you can see here, we got a whole new settings app, and according to Microsoft at the time, they were going to move all the control panel items, as seen here, to the new settings app here.
We've heard our insiders say that they'd like us to fix up the confusion between the control panel and the settings in Windows 8. So we're going to bring those things together in one UI that'll be familiar to people coming from Windows 7 and handy for people used to Windows 8.
Huh, I wonder how that turned out. You lied to me, Microsoft. Yeah, we got the display, notifications, all that stuff. The settings app design pretty much changed later on down the road. Anyway, this is the new start menu, which combined both of the live tiles in Windows 8 and the goodness of Windows 7. Let's take a look at calendar here. Let's take a look at mail. Let's take a look at photos, Cortana, phone companion. Probably to download all of the Microsoft apps to your phone or whatever. Whoa, what happened here? Oh, what's that say? Runtime? Oh, we got an error. Okay. The application has requested the runtime to terminate it in an unusual way. Please contact the application support for more information. What happened? But okay. Oh. Close it in. Anyway, let's try that again. Yeah, there we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. I don't know what it crashed, but it crashed. Yep. Windows 10 works with my phone. Yes, yours. Ha 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 ha. Real funny. I even know I don't have a Windows phone. Ready to go. Yes. There you go. We got mail. We can add an Outlook account. And yeah, this is what the mail app should look like. Pretty basic. Same goes for the calendar. My Outlook. Oh, let's fix account. Oh, wow, that was simple. We have switch to email, which opens up this. Calendar settings. Trust Center. Feedback. Oh, it opens up the Windows Feedback app. I forgot that was a thing. Hey, welcome. Use the Feedback app to tell us what features you love. Yes. There's no way it works. What the? Wait. No. Copilot, the soul of a new... Oh, Copilot, the soul of new Windows. Well, joke's on them. I'm on an old version of Windows 10 that doesn't have Copilot. Even though I got Cortana. But we'll take a look at Cortana soon. Oh, it says... sign in. That's pretty specific. Can't sign into what? Unable to install KV. I am connected to the internet. How is this a problem? Yep, there's that. There's the calendar app and the mail app. Pretty much looks the same as the calendar app. We changed the background picture. Let's change it to that one. There we go. Reading. Nope. Options. Oh, it just crashes anyway. Anyway, let's take a look at Microsoft Edge, the browser that everyone still hates. Well, this version of Microsoft Edge predates the one that we are used to, which is the Chromium version. You can see we can change the light, change it to dark, show the favorites bar. So like if we go to google.com, hey, look at that, we got Google. Oh wait, what did that say? Google recommends using Chrome. A fast, secure browser with latency built in. Oh, I want that browser, but why is it like all the way to the left? It's like, last time I remember, I thought it was supposed to be on the right, but whatever. How about Microsoft's website? Yep, it looks kinda eh. Oh, this looks beautiful. Very nice. I don't know what this here for, but yeah. Yep. Oh, Microsoft Surface laptop, 13 inch. So we got 45 trillion. Lightweight, portable design with a lot of AI slop. Apparently, I can drag this. What is this supposed to be an image? Incredible image quality. Yeah. Yeah, that's very incredible. Like, I'm gonna save this. Oh, I can save a picture? Oh. You don't have any apps I can share. Yep, Onyx stuff. What? What? Oh, it crashed. Okay. Got the dog. Got this. Whatever this is. Simplify my workflow with that. Retrace my steps. Is that the new is that the new Recall logo? I love that logo. Oh yeah. Okay. This is the new File Explorer. I'm saving that picture. Oh yeah, we got a very good quality JPEG. All my favorite apps. All right, let's do that. Oh no, it just crashes anyway. Whatever. That is Microsoft Edge. Now let's take a look at Cortana. Yep, we get this. You can remind me. You can do this. You can do that. You can track everything. You can entertainment. Like Cortana, fine. I agree. Get my name, Mike, whatever. Oh, go ahead and tell me to do something. Okay, let's start. No, go away. What can you do? Oh, cool. It can, and if I remember, I think you can say, hey, Cortana. Oh yeah, I got it here, and then I don't think you can say hey Cortana on this version of Windows. Show me today's weather. It's probably not gonna work because Cortana is dead right now. It's probably not gonna work.
Something's not right. Try again in a little bit.
Yep. Even simple as this. Remind me in 5 minutes to feed the cat.
Something's not right.
Yep, we got reminders. Well, we can do that. Oh, feed cat. Yeah, let's do 8:40. Remind me. There we go. And apparently we can send feedback about Cortana. You know what? I should probably do this. You guys should win. Send. There was no way. Thank you for making Cortana better, even though Cortana is dead. Oh, that's funny. Play my music. Play my music. Hopefully I can still open up apps. Like play my
Sure. Queuing up your music.
There we go. And we got the music app here. Oh, I'm sorry, Groove Music, but isn't it called Groove Music? And yeah, and now I started playing Eat the Computer. Open. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Open weather.
All right. Starting weather.
Yeah, see, look, you can still technically use Cortana to open up apps. Like, open calendar.
Sure thing. Opening calendar.
Cool. Very cool. All right. Let's see. Let's search for Denver. Yeah. It looks like you're currently offline. I'm not offline. I'm online. Whatever. Well, that doesn't work. Let's take a look at the Xbox app. Oh, okay. Yeah, take a look at music. Oh, the movies and TV. Videos, sample videos. Nope, none of that. Oh yeah, the Microsoft Store, which was called the Windows Store. And it looks like it doesn't work anymore. Oh, the OneNote app. Okay, got things to remember. No, whoa, that's okay, now it's not doing it anymore. What was that artifact about then? Okay. Oh, feed the cat. My cat can wait 10 minutes. Actually, it can wait for an hour. Alright, let's start using OneNote. Oh yeah, so yeah, there is OneNote. Yep. It looks like it didn't save my notebooks, it looks like. More notebooks. Oh, I need to add an account. Fix. I have to sign in again to my Microsoft account? Oh my gosh. I just did that. Oh my gosh. Whatever. Fix. There we go. There we go. Almost there. It should load my... Oh. Switch account. Oh, so... Try again. Well, unable to sign in. Not my notes. I want to access my notes. Well, now click that button. But let's take a look at the Microsoft apps here, like PowerPoint, for example. Let's go in and pick this here. Create. Check out our new look. What? Microsoft, this is just... this is just... What is this? Giant white rectangle. I think that was supposed to be a video playing. Whatever. Oh yeah, look at that. It has the Windows 11's what you call it? The Windows 11 style. Oh, okay. Basic presentation. We've got this. Agenda. Introduction, building confidence, engaging the audience, visual aids, and final tips and takeaways. The power of communication. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Make sure blah 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 blah. Do that. Yep. That. Yep. Blah 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 blah. Thank you for coming. Let's take a look at news. Let's take a look at money. Service is currently not available. Boohoo. The celebrations of Microsoft Solitaire. Hey, look, the game bar. Yeah. Yep, there it is. This is the game bar here. We can take a picture. There we go. Let's preview that, which I can't because crashes. Anyway, service currently unavailable. Oh, wait. Is it actually going to load? How about top news? Let's search for Microsoft. Oh yeah, look at that. It does work. Watch, if I click on an article, it opens up Microsoft ads. Oh, look at that. It actually opens up a very broken looking like article here. The next time you look at Microsoft Copilot, it may look back. Oh, yeah. Magnifier jump scare. Or shall I say, SVG jump scare. Oh, I love when... I really love on how CSS could fail at any moment and get this. Alright, who's that? Microsoft release. Yep, likes the KB update thing. Okay, well, this one looks fine. Even though this website's kind of lagging. But this site is working fine. Well, yeah, look. Look at that. It's fine. But, yeah. CSS is like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna stop working. So, oh wait, what's this? Oh, yeah, it sure does work. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good. Okay, moving on. I was about to say, like, oh, the news app live tile isn't working, but oh, no, it is working. Oh, we got the health and fitness app from Windows 8. We got some of the Windows 8 apps here. Oh, yeah, settings. Yeah, look at that. It works. Oh, we got the reading list app. Reading list app is now available for Windows Phone. Yay. No one cares. See how it works. Oh, it just redirects you to the 404 pigs. Doodle on his pigs. Wait. Why can't I draw over there? What? Okay. Microsoft, the canvas is not big enough. Why can I only... Whatever. I can save this. Yeah, send this. I can also share it. Oh, I can share it from OneNote. It would have shared it with OneNote, but OneNote kept crashing on me. Or, well, not really crashing on me, but it keeps saying that, oh, it's something wrong. And it probably just crashed. Let's try it again. Now I'm kidding. Well, yeah. But one thing I kind of don't like is the fact that you notice how the title bar is kind of looking a little plain, right? Like here. Apparently, you can't add a color to the title bar. And this is RTM. This is the version of Windows 10 that you got. So yeah. Oh no. It's not like I care because we're gonna move on to the first update to Windows 10 version 15.11. Before we install or upgrade, let's see if we could actually go back. Go back to Windows 8.1. Oh wait, oh my gosh, it's actually working. The last time I did it on Windows 7, Windows 10 was like, sorry, you can't go back. I'm like, oh, but on Windows 8.1, yeah, you can go back to Windows 8.1, but you can't go back on Windows 7. I just find that very hilarious. Anyway, let's go ahead and install the first update to Windows 10, version 15.11. This was also the time when Microsoft started branding their updates to Windows 10, since Windows 10 is a service, meaning that you get like new features with new builds pretty much periodically. So the version of Windows you're on right now, or Windows 10 you're on right now, is out of date because you need to install the new version of Windows 10. And that's why I said Windows 10 is more of a brand name rather than a name for a version of Windows 10, because Windows 10 doesn't mean anything. You could be running an older build of Windows 10, like this version. I'm not gonna bore you with this, but I'll see you back on 15.11 land. Also, why did my wallpaper change that quickly? I just realized that. More waiting, I guess. We got this screen. Well, it's pretty much the same. Well, it looks like Microsoft got rid of the sit back and relax text. So yeah, there it is. We have the same lock screen. Oh, we've updated your PC. Let's start. Alright, we will start. Updates were installed. Yeah. Okay, I get that, Captain Obvious. Alright, this is the start menu, and yeah, looks pretty identical. Calendar. But hey, look, we got a newer look of calendar. We got the different wallpaper now for each account. That probably didn't do anything. Manage accounts. We got more wallpapers this time. Yeah, the dark theme calendar. Let's go. Check the calendar lately? Now I can mark my calendars for holidays. No, I did not. But I gotta say, it looks a lot more polished than the first release of Windows 10. I gotta say that once. Photos app. Oh, what the? Photos app. Okay, apparently that doesn't work anymore. What's this? Product alert. Microsoft Phone Companion will be removed soon. Go to settings, connect my phone. Which didn't. So I'm guessing this is an updated app which is supposed to open up the phone settings, but for some reason it didn't. You're not connected to the internet. I am connected. OneNote. Oh, we got a modern sign-in page. Do I have to do this? It's like sign in, connected to OneDrive. OneNote, not OneDrive. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh, hello. How do you understand OneNote? Let's reset everything. Ah, what? We were right there. We are literally right there. Okay. Well. Reset. Just let me use one. Oh, well, that doesn't work. Well, at least we have the Windows 2 version of OneNote. Ah, look at that. It kept everything. So yeah, as I said about having colors to the title bar, let's open up Explorer here, and let's go here, and show color on Start, Taskbar, Action Center, and Title Bar. Oh my gosh, look at that, we got color on the title bar. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. Even though that's been a feature since Windows 1.0, but Microsoft probably didn't have time to add that on the first release of Windows 10. But the caveat is you need to have the color on all of it. Alright, so let's check out the weather. Probably the weather that won't work, but I'll try anyway. Something went wrong. How about Los Angeles? Nope, that didn't work. OneNote doesn't work anymore because it just crashes outright. Oh yeah, we have Groove Music now. It's no longer called music, it's Groove Music. This is the Cortana, and yeah, as you can see, we got a lot more things at it. We got notebooks, pretty much the same thing. Oh look, hey, Cortana's here. Oh, feed cat. Oh, okay, fine. I'm gonna feed the cat. Well, I already fed the cat. Hey, Cortana. What's the weather like today? It's not gonna do anything because, again, Cortana's dead. I don't know why I asked that question, but it's worth a shot. Oh, I just okay. Hey, Cortana, open. No, just hey, Cortana, open mail.
Sure. Starting mail.
Hey, Cortana, open Notepad plus. Hey, Cortana, open Notepad. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps like doing that where it just like opens up Cortana, then it just closes out or crashes or whatever, but probably it's not gonna work. It's not gonna open.
Opening. Open as archive.
That is not Notepad. How is that? How is that even? Okay. Hey, Cortana, open Notepad. Oh, it's crashed. Probably like why. Open Notepad. Well, it's probably. I don't know how open as archive is Notepad, but whatever. Let me try something more simple.
Which one? 1 notepad or 2 notepad plus plus?
1 Notepad.
Which one do you want? 1 notepad or 2 notepad plus plus?
Go to Notepad.
Sorry, which one do you want? 1 notepad or 2 notepad plus plus?
1.
Opening notepad.
Oh, I have to say 1. How come I just say open Notepad? Oh, giving me mixed signals here. Open Skype. Come on, it's your app. You should open Skype.
Which one? 1 get Skype, 2 Skype for Business Recording Manager, 3 Skype for Business, 4 Skype Video, or 5 Skype.
Oh, it just crashed on me. I didn't have time.
Alright, which one? 1 get Skype, 2 Skype for Business, 3 Skype for Business Recording Manager, 4 Skype Video, or 5 Skype.
Let's do 4. Oh, no. Yep, still broken. Let's try YouTube. I'm kind of curious of what YouTube looks like. Probably it looks bad because... Oh. What is it? This page is having a problem loading. We tried to load this page for you a few times, but there is still a problem with the site. We know you have better things to do. But then, oh yeah, haha. Well, I can go ahead and cross this out. And then do this, and then I can save this. We can send that to OneNote. Wait, does it actually saves it? No, it didn't. that is a quick look at Microsoft Edge. You can take a look at the news, which... Ooh, breaking news alerts. Send your notifications for you when it makes news space. Yes, Windows feedback. You're almost there. I gotta sign in again. Sign me in. Oh, look at this. Hello. The news app works. Even though the first version of Windows didn't. How about money? Yeah. Hey, look, we got the images loaded this time. But the CSS is still broken. Uh-oh. Right. Cool. I think I think I just broke the news app. I don't know how I did that, but yeah. There you go, guys. That is a quick look at the Windows 10 November update. Next, we're going to take a look at what is considered a more featured packed update, which is called the Anniversary Update, because it's been 1 year since Windows 10 came out, and the Anniversary Update incorporated a lot of new things to it. Let's go ahead and install the Anniversary Update. Alright, yes, tap to choose what happens to the CD, launch setup.exe, and you guessed it, you're gonna have the same setup interface. It's gonna take forever, and we're gonna accept the license agreement again, and now, prepare to be very disappointed. As you can see, it's a massive downgrade. Honestly, this looks like what they would have had back in Windows 10 development, but again, according to the blog post Microsoft did for the Anniversary Update, they did this for the sake of consistency. Yeah, consistency my ass. Alright, welcome to the Anniversary Update, and yes, it is the next day. Thanks for noticing. First things first is the new lock screen. Normally when you dismiss a lock screen, the background goes along with it, but look at this. It fades. And well, there was supposed to be a picture here, but I don't know what happened to it. If there was a picture, it would fade in or zoom in a little, but yeah. Now, by default, your email is no longer shown in the lock screen. So let's go ahead and log in and go through the whole "hi, we've updated your PC" thing and take a look at the new desktop. And here we are. Welcome to the Anniversary Update. And okay, well, we're off to a great start because oh, there it is. There's my icons. I was about to say, like, what happened to my icons? But yeah, welcome to the Anniversary Update. As you can see, the taskbar pretty much looks identical to the previous two versions, but you notice the notification icon or the action center is far to the right instead of having the clock there. And yeah, this is the action center. It looks pretty identical, and whatever, go away. One major change is to the start menu. Look at this, we got a new start menu that looks pretty identical to what we have now on Windows 10. And you may notice that it uses the correct accent color instead of gray, which was carried over from Windows 8.1, but in the Anniversary Update, it was like, no, you get blue. So, let's take a look at the inbox apps to see what was changed. Fix account, probably not gonna fix it because service is not available. Oh, hey, all done. We have Microsoft Edge, which is doing the same thing again. It's probably going to, yep, there it is. So we can go to google.com, and yep, as you can see, we have Google with the same pop-up here. Let's go to microsoft.com. That also looks well. And why is this? Why? Oh, it's doing it. Oh, wait, no, it's doing it bug. Hold on. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, it was doing a whole bug before. Oh, I love how everything just stops working. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Let's take a look at YouTube, which probably will crash Microsoft Edge. Oh. Oh, it didn't crash this time. Oh, okay, but it's not loading anything. I don't know. Should I try load a video? Let me copy a video and load a video. Okay, I copied the a video link from that, and let's see if it plays a video. Hey, look, the thumbnail loads. Oh, it's gonna play the ad, isn't it? Oh, no.
Hypori is highly.
Okay. Can I don't think I can skip this. Oh my gosh. There we go. Hey, look at that. Hey, so I can technically watch YouTube on Microsoft Edge. It's the fact that I cannot like browse for any videos because the interface is not working. I can technically go on a full screen, but that's not working. This is... Yep, there we go. Play speed works. Yep, all that. Cool. So that's Microsoft Edge and YouTube. The Photos app. Hopefully it doesn't crash this time. It still crashes. Oh no. Oh yeah, it does work. Yeah, it does work. Real photos. Yeah, so it does work. I don't know why, like, if I launch the Photos app from the start menu, it just crashes. What is it doing? Okay. Well, okay, but the Photos app is broke. Again? Oh, it just crashed. Okay, well, there's that. So that's the Photos app. Let's take a look at OneNote, and hopefully it doesn't crash like it did before. Okay, we got the white screen, and right here it's gonna crash. Oh, no it didn't. Hey, good job. You're a lot more stable now. Let's see if I can make a OneNote page or make a notebook. This is a notebook. We're unable to create my no. We need the password to sync this notebook. Wait, let me see if I can log in again. Oh, that's nice. Microsoft account. It doesn't even say my email. Okay. Oh no, something went wrong. No, not this again. Ah, there we go. What's new in OneNote? Sharing is easier. Alright, can I now make a new page? Okay. And again, error, but it just crashes the app every time I make a new page. Blank. Is it doing something? Doesn't look like it. Looks like OneNote froze up again. I don't know why I'm trying to get OneNote working, but that kind of sucks. So yeah, that's OneNote. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. Yeah. You can shop for more movies here. Oh, what's this? Pardon the interruption. Before you can shop, we need to update the store. Oh yeah. Yeah, the anniversary update has a much more updated store, which is the November update in RTM. Couldn't have an updated store because the operating system can't handle the new frameworks probably, but I know it's not gonna like pull down the latest version of the Microsoft Store from Windows 11, but at least we're gonna get the Microsoft Store instead of the Windows Store. But I'll let that cook in the background. Oh, and there it is. We have the new Microsoft Store, and yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. Update Windows to continue using the Microsoft Store. You need to upgrade your PC to a supported version of Windows. Which I would guarantee to you that right after October or so, this version of the Microsoft Store will fail to launch. But oh, we have WhatsApp. Oh, that is a weird looking. Oh. Oh, we're sorry. The website needs a new browser. Haha. Open store. Yeah, it just. The app, the store just pops up an embedded HTML page of the store app, which is pretty hilarious. Okay, it's loading. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, this is looking fire. Oh dang it, I did not mean to do that. Yeah, so that loads. This one loads too. How about Roblox? Oh yeah, that loads too. But any apps here just doesn't work at all. Try search for like, I don't know, Apple Music. Oh yeah, there you go. It works, but when you try to view the app, it just doesn't work at all. But yeah, there is that. Oh, we have TikTok. Oh gosh, we got that. But yeah, that is a quick look at the Microsoft Store. And oh, we already have like updates to install. Oh, like that. Netflix just got installed. Oh, okay. Apparently, wait, why do I have to wait, Netflix? Wait a minute. Sorry, there was a problem communicating with Netflix, so I can... Oh, we have 3D Builder. Alright, let's see what we have here for 3D Builder. Oh, we can build 3D objects and have it shipped to the door. Let's get started. Like, we can have the bulldozer here. Look at this. Look at this nice 3D model render of this. We have... Just because I've updated the Microsoft Store doesn't give you the right to update. Oh my god, why did you... Maybe I shouldn't have updated the Microsoft Store. We got Get Office, which is new apparently, even though I already have Office here. What the... Why is it having problems trying to render that video? Anyway, let's try it again. Get Office. Yeah, I don't know why. Well, okay, I don't know why that video is glitched out, but it's supposed to play a video normally, but I don't know why it's like glitching out like that. Does it work? Yeah, check out the settings, just nothing. Oh, I can share? I don't have anything to share. Yeah. Now let's take a look at the updated version of Cortana, because Cortana got some drastic updates to this. Of course, it doesn't work because Cortana services is down right now. But we can go here, we can go to About Me. I can do reminders and all that stuff, and you can say, "Hey Cortana" on the lock screen. Let's go ahead and lock this PC and, "Hey Cortana, what can you do?" There you go. And apparently, oh, what's this? Set a default location to his PC. We can use it. What? Why did I get what? Okay. Hey Cortana, what can you do? There's some things I can help. Oh yeah. Oh, that doesn't work. But yeah, Cortana doesn't really work as much anymore. But I can still make reminders to feed cat again. Hey Cortana, what's my reminders? It looks like it's a lot.
Sure, opening reminders.
Okay, you're not gonna tell me what my reminders are? Oh yeah, one more thing, I can actually say Cortana to play my music on the lock screen. So, I can say, "Hey Cortana, play my music." That's not what I said, Cortana. Hey Cortana, play my music. And then it should play my music. Or attempt to play my music.
I can't seem to get the internet working. Check back in just a sec.
Well, that didn't work. Oh yeah, this is the new settings app. Yeah, as you can see, everything looks a little bit more modern. We got icons for individual categories and all that good stuff. And we have a proper setting to change it to dark mode. And we can have color on the title bar only. So there you go. Instead of having all of your interfaces have the same color. There's a new feature in Windows 10 anniversary update called the Windows Ink Workspace. So yes, we have the 3 quickest shortcuts to sticky notes. Like this, you can make a note, then it's just a note. And you can make more notes too. You can also change the color to that. Like this here. Got enable insights. Whatever. So yeah, that's sticky notes. We also have a sketchpad. So yeah, you can do this. You can sketch a lot of cool things with the built-in sketchpad thing. So you can like draw here with that. You can highlight with this. You can erase. You can save your creations here. Copy it, or you can share it with OneNote. Even though it's not gonna work. Wait a minute. Add a note. This is my artwork. Send. You can mail this. But oh, don't have an email account. Whatever. We have 3D Builder. Whoa. What the? Okay. This is. Wait. Hold on. What? Okay, that is kind of. That's kind of cursed and cool at the same time. Whatever. I'm. Click here to repair. Okay. No, katana reminders. Yeah, let's attach that, I guess. Remember to finish this. Let's do this in 1 hour. And remind me. There we go. So yeah, there's that. Here's this thing. You can draw. You can do the same thing here. 3D Builder. Okay, whoa, this wow, this looks cursed. I don't know how I feel about this. Did I actually save in 3D Builder? Oh my gosh, it did. What? Wow. Okay then. 3D Builder is being used for sharing. What? Okay, okay, fine. Close out. Windows key and X. 3D Builder. And yes. Oh, I need to repair it first, I think. I don't know how I feel about this, having all of your wallpaper be a 3D model. I don't know if this is intentional or bug, because I don't think you can do that now. What happens if I do it on here? I can take a picture of Cortana. Oh, I just took a picture of my. Okay, that's cursed. Yeah, so here's a 3D model of my wallpaper. And apparently it's being used for sharing, even though it is not being used for sharing. Whatever. So yeah, that is a quick look at the anniversary update. A newer version of the Windows Store, the Microsoft Store, whatever, that decided to install Candy Crush without my permission. And the fact is, I love how it is letterboxed because it's a mobile app. Whatever, I don't want to play Candy Crush. But yeah, we can take a look at the reminders. Yep, finish that, feed cat, all the good stuff. The next update is kind of a controversial one, because the next update for Windows 10 is called the Creators Update. And this update is heavily focused on a lot of
3D,
three-dimensional, 3D.
Yeah, that's a lot of 3Ds. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and install the Creators Update, or what Microsoft should have called it, the 3D Update. Whatever, I guess the Creators Update sounds a lot cooler than the 3D Update. Alright, welcome to the Windows 10 3D Update. I mean, the Creators Update. So, as you can see here, welcome to Windows 10. This is my microphone account. Yep, we can pick my privacy settings here. That looks fine, I guess. We can re-meet Cortana again, even though I've met her before. Oh, it's restarting. Well, that's a good start. Oh no, it's Windows Update. Why do we have to? Why? I just want to use Windows. Oh, okay, good. Whoa, why did the thing get big all of a sudden? I don't know why the loading indicator is so slow. It's like Alright, welcome back to the desktop with the same taskbar, the same Cortana, and the same start menu. But yeah, this is the Creators Update. We have pretty much identical. We have this ink workspace, and apparently Screen Sketch is having problems. Oh, can't use screen sketch right now. Why is it way over here? Oh, now I can. I don't know why I can't before. There's some new features to the start menu where you can now put apps in a folder like this. But it's funny enough, you can't do that on the first release of Windows 11 until later on. Microsoft Edge pretty much looks like pretty much identical to. I didn't tell you to go full screen. We can go to Microsoft.com. We can go to Google.com, and everything looks pretty much the same. Yeah, there it is. Hey, look, the image looks perfectly fine now compared to before, where it's like all chopped off. We can. Oh, they moved the ink from the far left to the far right now. So yeah, you can do this. You can. No, I don't like AI slop. You can save this. And there's also a new shared UI. So yeah, there's this. You can use 3D Builder to. You could use 3D Builder. Oh wow. Or Cortana reminders, I guess. There we go. Remember to. Wow. Oh yeah, Cortana got a new dark mode instead of gray, but we'll take a look at Cortana in a bit. Oh, we're sorry, we can't load a preview, but can I at least send this? Yes, I can. Can we also use OneNote now without it crashing on me? Oh, whoa. Okay, what is this? Oh, open notebooks. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hey, look, whoa. Oh yeah, I probably, oh yeah, I kept the, what you call it, the notes from that, even though that's my account ID apparently. 9E7BD1C564E882DE. Well, that's a nice account name, I guess. And I know Cortana won't work, but let's try anyway. Hey Cortana, play my music. Oh, we got a new interface now where it takes up the whole screen instead of like the little interface in the bottom left. So that way you can actually see the Cortana's interface while being far away. Hey Cortana, what can you do? Okay, fine. Hey Cortana, open Notepad. Definitely should be able to open Notepad, right? Doesn't have to require the internet to open Notepad. Which one? Go to Notepad++.
Okay, which one do you want? 1 Notepad or 2 Notepad++?
2. Okay, I don't know why.
All right, starting Notepad++.
Okay, I don't know why it took that long to do that. Hey Cortana, lock my PC. Like, fun fact, on this version of Windows 10, you can actually ask Cortana to lock your PC. It doesn't seem to be working now.
Sure thing, here's this PC.
That's not what it's supposed to do, but take a look at this video I did back in 2020, showcasing it working. Hey Cortana, lock my PC.
Locking your computer.
And yeah, there it is. Cortana used to be able to lock your PC by just saying, lock my PC. But yeah, as you can see, this version doesn't work anymore because Cortana's dead. Yeah, we have Paint 3D. Yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, remember Paint 3D? When Microsoft wanted you to use Paint 3D instead of the good old-fashioned Paint? Let's open Sketch. Yeah, look at this. Let's see if I can add a 3D model, or there it is. There's a 3D thing here. Yes, it's a tutorial. And we can go ahead and view this in 3D. Look at this. Look at this awesome 3D model here. Let's check out weather. Oh, weather got a new UI, it looks like. Yes, here's my location. Start. Hey, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's working. My gosh, hey guys, look. The weather app is working. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Can we do California? Oh no, it never occurred. I guess you can only pick up the locations, like my actual location. we have a new updated game bar here. Yeah, so we have the Xbox, we have the take pictures, record that, we have start recording. And remember when Microsoft acquired Beam? Ah, yeah. Oh, we got a new icon for news? Wait a minute. Oh, it's red. How come it's more red than before? Oh, we got the Microsoft news. Oh yeah, look at that. This is a much different interface than I used to remember seeing. Oh, it updated to the new version of the news, but it doesn't even work at all. Of course, if this works, can I still do this? Yeah, I can still do that, but for some reason the thing doesn't work. Oh, that's JPEG. What's this? It's a video, I think. Oh, error. Unsupported video type or invalid. Oh. I want to watch that though. That's that looks nice. And oh, apparently Money updated. I have a new Money app because it showcased the new what you call it? Live tile. Oh no, it's running so Copilot. Well, luckily there's an error, so haha. I'm not getting Copilot today, mister. And if we go to the theme settings, we have a dedicated themes. Look at that. Instead of going to the control panel way. Next, we're gonna take a look at the Fall Creators Update, aka the debut of Fluent Design. One thing I find it a little bit funny is that we got a newer version of Calculator that has the new Fluent Design. Even though Fluent Design wasn't officially announced later on. And the Creators Update was released in 2017. So I don't know if Microsoft was getting ready for the Fluent Design, because if I remember correctly, Fall Creators Update, the version we're going to take a look at after this, included a lot of Fluent Design elements. Let's go ahead and launch setup. Welcome to the Fall Creators Update. So as you can see here, we have the same taskbar, but we got a new button here. This is the oh yeah, this is your people. Okay, so yeah, so the Fall Creators Update introduced your people, so you can like add your favorite people to the taskbar here. Let's add. Oh wait, no, not that. Crying blob. And what was that? What sound was that? Oh yeah, so I guess when you like added people or something like that, it plays a sound. Creators Update. Yeah. What the hell is with the sounds? What's with the sound? I don't remember the people app playing the sounds, I guess. Anyway, there you go. We got the crying blob people here. Yeah, there you go. And to be fair, I don't think anyone used this. As you just saw, we got the new notification banner thing. And we have an updated action center. So yes. And if we go to the start menu, you can see we have a blur to the background. A much more prominent blur, better than before. One note, pretty much looks identical to what we have, but now since they're using the Fluent Design language, you can see some shadows around the apps there. Here's Microsoft Edge with the Fluent style UI, and we got the start with the MSN logo. If it was working, it would like show you the feed or something similar, but because this version of Microsoft Edge is too old, it can't do that. Once again, has the Fluent Design and very, very red. Gosh, it's trying so hard to advertise Microsoft News. Let me go ahead and open settings. Yeah, this is much more noticeable when you like hover over. You can see a lot of course, the left pane is not transparent yet. That came later on, but yeah. Oh yeah, my phone, which I'm guessing nobody used. Looks like we got the new Microsoft news. Yeah, look at this. The new version of the Microsoft News with the new icon without except oh, crashed. Yeah, we got the new logo without the white, but this is still there. Oh my gosh. Remember when Microsoft was doing this whole Groove Music Pass thing? Shut up. Shut up. Remember when Microsoft did this whole Groove Music Pass thing? It's similar to Spotify, but you can listen to music on Groove Music. Good times. And then Microsoft killed it and told everyone to go to Spotify Premium instead. Yeah. Real funny. So let's click on sticky note. Oh. Okay, I'm having problems with the ink workspace. It just crashes every time I open it. Weird. Oh yeah, that's funny. We have the new version of 3D Viewer, which, yeah. So we have this, that. Yeah, look at this. Hey, you can take a look at the bee. It animates. Look at this. Isn't that cool? Oh my god. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, the Windows 8 style UI or the Windows 8 apps opens like this, and you can go to settings, which is completely off-centered for some reason. Ah, there we go. It's fixed now. We have the new Microsoft 365, which is oh no, WebView host crashed. Oh, that's funny. Yeah. Oh, that is funny. But other than that, most of the interesting features are starting to die down at this point. Like, we don't get any new massive big changes to the operating system after that. So that is a quick look at the fall creators update with the introduction of the Fluent Design language. Next, we're gonna take a look at Windows 10 1803. Almost there. They changed the text to almost there. This is the first version to change Let's Start to Almost There. So this is the taskbar, and right off the bat you may notice that there's a different blur now instead of comparing to the last build. And if we click on the start menu, you can see we got more Fluent Design added to the start menu. You can see when I click on it or click on an icon, you can see it's outline. The settings got worked on a little, so now instead of those big squares, now we got the rectangles. And yeah, as you can see, we got the similar settings app design with the left pane being transparent and all blurry. The ink workspace is still broken, it looks like. I have no idea why it's broken, but the Action Center looks pretty much the same. Cortana looks the same, and yeah, you can already tell already it's broken. So, but one thing you notice on the taskbar is this little film thing. This is called Activities or Timeline. Yeah, so this feature was gonna log everything you do on your computer. It's similar to what we have now with Recall. So if I use my computer more often, it will start logging everything. And oh, look at that. We the start page is actually trying to load, but it doesn't seem like. Oh, that's nice. 60. It's I can't find a specific image for NFL or NCAA, so let me just put 60. No, there was an issue. Nothing there. So yeah, this is ads. So yeah, you can see all the new Fluent Design stuff when you hover over stuff. And let me share to the Crime Blob. And I need to open up the Mail app. And yeah, the Microsoft Store is, yeah. Oh well. So, other than the more fluent designs, you can see most of the inbox apps should work. You gotta be kidding me. Yes, I know that. Go away. Well, it looks like you can't use this app anymore because, haha, you need to download the new version of the Windows Mail and Calendar app. Oh. An HTTP 403 error. And we have the UWP version of OneNote, which continues to work perfectly fine. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, you can see the little outline, or not outline, the little blur in the background. It's fluid design. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, look at that. YouTube actually works in this in Microsoft Ads. Let's go ahead and watch one of one of this here. Yep, there you go. But yeah, other than that, other than more of the fluent design things added, that pretty much wraps it up for Windows 10 1803. Next, we're gonna move on to the most controversial update of Windows 10 in history, version 1809, aka the update that deleted many files from computers. So let's go ahead and install 1809. Before we go on 1809, you can see, yeah, there you go. There's the timeline. It was able to keep track on what I was doing with. Oh, I don't know what I just did, but I clicked on turn on and then it just like crashed. So yeah, there you go. I've been to YouTube, and then when you click on that, it should open up. Well, it was supposed to open up Microsoft Ads or what I was using before, but I don't know why it's not doing it. But yeah, all right, here we are. Welcome to the October 2018 update. The update that supposedly deleted a lot of user files. We have a missing app here. The phone companion is no more. Cortana got an update. Oh, Cortana, you look like you've put on some weight. Yeah, so Cortana has a more expanded view now. So if I search for CMD, yeah, so we have this part here. And, oh, yeah, if we go to Notebook, it just, yeah, so we've got the expanded view. Unfortunately, Cortana is still dead. I don't know why I'm doing this, considering the fact that Cortana has been dead for years now, but...
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
What do you mean you didn't catch that? You literally... So that is Cortana. Unfortunately, it's supposed to like show you the interest in the news, but it's no longer working. The Windows Ink workspace is working again. Which I have no idea why for the past 2 builds it wasn't working, but hey look, it's working. And we got the new versions. We got the new version of the Notes app. Yeah, so we can do that. Yes, this is I know that. And we have Sketchpad. There you go. We have Sketchpad. You can still do Windows Ink, and of course we got Snip and Sketch. Which, yeah, we got the new version of Snip and Sketch, which it doesn't take up the whole screen like it did before. So yeah, you can draw on it to your heart's content. Notification Center or Action Center, which apparently flew out from the left side for some reason. Looks pretty much identical. Let's check out the inbox app. So like OneNote here. Yep, as you can see, everything continues to work, and apparently we need to refresh this notebook to continue syncing. Fine. I just did that. Whatever. Also, I just noticed the acrylic thing for the OneNote is not there anymore. So either Microsoft added the acrylic in that one version of Windows, but then decided to take it out in this version. I don't know. But one big feature everyone's keep asking Microsoft ever since Windows 10 came out was, when are we gonna get dark theme support for Explorer? Well, here we are, guys. This is the dark theme file Explorer. We finally got dark theme. Even though it took Microsoft like ages to get it done. And to be frank with you, Microsoft actually had to spend more time and effort to actually make this perfect, because according to that one article, on how they're able to get dark theme working with Explorer without impacting all of the other system apps. It's yeah. Another thing that's new is the emoji panel. So if we invoke the Windows key and P, there it is. We have the emoji panel. And unlike in the later versions, you cannot drag it. So yeah, Microsoft Edge looks pretty much identical to what we have in the last build, but this time the news feed actually loads this time. And let's see if we can actually customize things, even though everything keeps saying 60. So like Minecraft, hey look, Minecraft loads this time. How to build a stone generator? Funny. Oh, I love that JPEG thing. Like your video. Oh, it's not gonna load, I guess. Okay, well, let's check out. Well, we already know those two apps are dead. Thanks, Microsoft. Oh, we got the new versions of the Photos app, I noticed. Which, if it's gonna open that is, we will actually see what's new. Oh yeah, there it is. Whoa, welcome to this is Photos, and I still have no idea what's with the artifacts here. It's like, I don't know, it's because it's a VMware problem. Again, I won't be surprised because a lot of people are having more problems with VMware ever since Broadcom acquired it. But whatever. And there's a video project. You can actually start making a video on here. Which, kind of think about it, I should think of a video title. Maybe a blob adventure. Yeah. And let me go ahead and get all the assets and start making a movie. All right, here's all the blobs here, and let's start making an exciting movie. Drag all this here, 498. Oh, there's 3D effects? What's this? Atomic motion? What is this? Whoa, what the? Okay. Okay. Oh, that's okay, I guess I'm gonna put this up here then. Oh, background music. Happy beat. Oh, okay. Okay, why is it so loud? Oh my gosh. So, this is my movie, I guess. Okay, now it's quiet. That's way too quiet. Apparently there's only one thing. I can add the title card. Oh, that's where, oh, so that's how they did it. Yeah, you know those that one tutorial thing? That's what they did it. A blobs and then yeah, so cool. I guess that works then. Yeah, you get the idea. Oh, I can set a theme. Let's do joy. And let's change the theme. Let's see how chaotic this is. Wait, I just noticed it's like 11. Wait, oh my gosh, hold on. It's like 11 minutes long. Okay, cool. That's okay. I have no idea why it's like drawing a frame over. Oh, Skype is now enabled? You are now signed in. Oh, Skype is enabled. Wait. Huh, interesting. Apparently the Skype app for, well, the UWP version, I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, let's finish video. Let's do that. Let's export. Blob adventure. I guess it's save today pictures. I guess I'll meet you back when it's done. Alright, it is done, and right off the bat it kind of looks off. What is going on with the frames? Okay. Oh, yeah, video export issues. Actually, let me go ahead and open this with a proper media player. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Wait, the music? Okay, apparently the music just stopped. Okay. Back to my movie, guys. You can watch the whole thing on my second channel, Technologically Byte, on the link below. Cool. So that is a quick look at the... Oh, what's this? Okay, apparently Office is updating. But yeah, that is a quick look at the Office and the video thing. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Yeah, look at that. We got the fancy version of the weather app, but I can already tell it's running a WebView 2 app. It's running WebView. Yep, app works, and it's using WebView. Who would have thought? Why is it flashing? God, giving me a oh my God, it's trying to give me an epilepsy, Windows? What's wrong with you? WebView, as in it's an embedded HTML, so it's not really the whole app doing its magic. Huh, lazy. Okay, I don't know if it's using WebView, but I can tell it's not because the scroll bar is not like WebView 2 style. And then we can compare it side by side. Yeah, that's the WebView, and this is the UWP one. You notice how like different the thing is? Oh, Microsoft's like, you know what? Instead of making the actual app itself pretty, let's plop an HTML frame and call it a day. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, that's the new Office look that Microsoft sent me in. For some reason, I didn't get it. But yeah, this is the new Microsoft Office. But other than that, that's pretty much all the noteworthy changes and features for the infamous October 2018 update. Next, we're gonna move on to Windows 10 1903. Where's my... Yeah, there it is. There's the new setup interface. Looks pretty similar to Windows 11, actually. So it's not using the purple theme like in Windows 8, but now it's using the proper color scheme of Windows 10. Yep, there it is. There's a new install Windows 10, and they decided to like hide the download updates here. I don't want to make this setup better. Let's click next. And then clicking PC, getting everything ready, and then we need to accept the license agreement, which I do. Alright, welcome back. This is 1903, and yeah, we have a new lock screen, but now when I dismiss it, oh my gosh, look at that, it blurs in the background. Here it is. Welcome to the desktop. And right off the bat, something's different with the taskbar. So yeah, we got the same blur thing on the title bar. Not title bar, the taskbar. And apparently we have a missing app here, but when I click on the start menu, oh yeah, everything looks a little different. Well, we noticed that some of the apps are missing like icons. It's here, and apparently we got the new game bar, which is apparently much me to... Okay, I open the game bar, and yeah, there it is. This is the new game bar. I forgot. So yeah, this is supposed to be... Oh, there it is. There's the icon. And there's this OneNote with the... Well, this is the UWP version of OneNote with an updated look. You may notice on the taskbar we got a new search bar. When I click on it, oh, the Microsoft Store got updated. Huh, interesting. Oh yeah, so we got the... Oh yeah, the search thing that looks pretty identical to what we have now. We have AI Slot Pilot here. We have this, Microsoft News, and now Cortana is its own app here. So yeah, as you can see here, I mean, what's up? What's the weather like today? I don't know why I'm saying this, because it's broken. But hey, yeah, so Cortana is its own separate app this time, rather than embedded in the search bar. This is the Windows 8 workspace, but now it looks a lot different. We don't have the big UI that's, you know, So we only have like 2 buttons here. We got the full screen snip, which opens up snipping sketch. Whiteboard is the replacement of the Windows Ink workspace. So yeah, and we got the updated Photos app, or the latest version of the Photos app I seen on Windows 11. So I began to notice. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, there it is. We got the new modern Microsoft Store now. So I think you need to be on 1903 to get the new shiny Microsoft Store app. Huh, interesting. Funny thing is, when Windows 11 came out, they showcased the new Microsoft Store, and people thought that, oh, you only get the new UI on only on Windows 11, but nope. Because Microsoft decided to backport it back as far back as 1903. So there's that. But yeah, there's the settings here. Yeah, the settings looks pretty, pretty much the same. But let's take a look at the whiteboard. Let's take a look at the whiteboard. Okay. Wait, you're not gonna let me? Okay, every time I click, and oh yeah. It's the whiteboard. I'm guessing it's a WebView app. To pretend, yeah, look at that. It's a WebView too. It's a WebView app. If you don't believe me, here, let me go ahead and kill the WebView engine. All right, yeah, as you can see here, I just killed the WebView too, and yeah, as you can see, whiteboard is no more. Same goes with weather and I think money. Oh yeah, look, it looks so nice, right? But boom, if I run this command, oh no, it's gone. How can this be? Because this app is just running an overglorified HTML in app. So that's that. Oh my gosh, yeah, we got advertisements in the start menu now. So yes, it managed to keep all of the timeline thing. But hey, I can go ahead and open up what I did. I can go on YouTube. Oh no, go away. Don't you love it how it just literally ignores you when you click on close window? It's just like, I am not gonna close the window, so goodbye. What the? Okay, it just errored at the same time when whatever. But yeah, that is a quick look at 1903. Next, we're gonna move on to 1909. All right, welcome to 1909, also known as the November 2019 update. So as you can see here, everything looks pretty much the same. Unfortunately, it looks like this version of Windows replaced the old Microsoft Edge with the crappy new one. I can tell because the icon moved from here to there and then replaced the new one. So okay, now what do I... Okay. Why do I have 2 Microsoft Edge? Okay, this one's bugged out. Can I drag this? Okay, I can... Wait, what? Can I put it... oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, no, what I did. Okay, I think I just crap. Oh. Get. Uh-oh. Well, looks like it's bugged out because. Ugh. Oh no, I have no idea. Okay. So it looks like whenever I drag this, it just crashes start. I think that's a bug. Microsoft, you should fix your system. And if we go to settings here, hey look, we got my Microsoft account and all of that stuff. Apparently Windows Update thinks that I'm up to date, even though clearly I'm not, but here we are. Yeah, so as you can see here, everything looks pretty much the same. We go to like apps, there you go. And unfortunately, I forgot to showcase the light theme, because on the last version of Windows, which is the May 2019 update, there was a system-wide light mode, but I forgot to include that. But as a treat to you, I'm gonna use this from now on. Actually, no, I'm kidding. I'm gonna keep it to dark. So as you can see here, the search bar here looks the same. Look at this ad for Copilot. No one cares. We have Cortana here, which would not work, even though I'm talking to it right now. But oh yeah, now when you like hover over it,
I'm
this.
sorry, I didn't catch that.
But yeah, you can add devices there. You can do that. About mic, just nothing. So as you can tell in this build, Cortana is pretty much on its last legs because later on down the
I'm
road.
sorry, I didn't catch that.
However, you cannot do this anymore. Hey Cortana, lock my PC. As you can see, we still have the full screen version of Cortana, which in the later versions of Windows, Microsoft got rid of it and made Cortana a
Here's
standalone
this
app.
PC.
And apparently it's gonna open up this PC because it can't talk with Microsoft anymore to lock the computer remotely. I don't know why, but this is kind of driving me nuts. I shouldn't have put Microsoft Edge into a folder. Just don't attempt what I just did, because now my start menu looks completely ugly and bugged out. And of course we have timeline. Yeah, look at this. Do I dare? Oh, I love how the fact that it still shows the old Microsoft Edge logo. Next, we're gonna move on to May 2020 update. Alright, welcome to the May 2020 update, also known as a 2004 or 20H1. So as you can see here, we have the same old taskbar, and the start menu looks the same, and we have the still glitched out Microsoft Edge thing. And yeah, okay. Oh, apparently OneNote got a new icon. It's a blank icon. Ah, there it is. So looks like we got the new version of the OneNote icon, which looks very identical to the one next to it. So that is confusing as heck. As you can see, things look pretty identical to what we have in the last version of Windows 10. Now Cortana is its own app here. Yeah, as you can see, Cortana is beta, even though that's funny. Now I need to update Cortana. So I'm afraid if I click on update now, it's gonna break the app, but may as well because Cortana is dead. It will try to update to the latest version, but oh, and there you go. That's what I mean about that. Okay, so apparently we got like two sticky notes. We got the sticky notes and sticky notes new. So yeah, we got the old sticky notes and we got the new one. From Windows 11, if I remember correctly, the Microsoft Solitaire Collection. And yes, we have the same old game bar, which looks pretty much the same as Windows 11. But other than that, oh, wait, what happened to my blob? What? Oh, no, I'm this now. I don't want to be that. I don't want to be this depressing stock profile. But here, but it could just use this. Why is it picking up the default one, and why is it all JPEG? Oh, that is a quick look at 20H1, also known as the May 2020 update. Next, we're gonna take a look at the October 2020 update, also known. Shut up. Okay, I swear to God, this is the 50th time I've seen this already. Just go away. I don't think Microsoft really understands consent. It's like, I shoved it away, I clicked on this, I threw it away, and no, every single day, every single hour or so, no, well, thank God I don't use Microsoft Edge. Anyway, let's move on to the October 2020 update. And you guessed it, and I have to do this whole song and dance again. Alright, so here we are. This is the October 2020 update, and right off the bat we got the choose the privacy settings, I guess, or whatever, accept. Anyway, here we are. Welcome to the October 2020 update. as you can see, the start menu got some updates where it doesn't show the accent colors for the live tiles, and we don't have that horrible square icon, so that is a nice touch. Yep, okay. It still does that. That's funny. Hey, look who came back. It's my people, or the people app thing. It decided to come back. I don't know why it was gone, but as you can see, things are looking like what we have on Windows 10 now. My Microsoft account decided to like again, my blob is gone. Oh, look at that. OneNote finally got dark mode support, unlike in the past few builds we were on. Apparently I don't have permission to view my own. What? An app caused a problem when it okay, whatever. Okay, but yeah, as you can see here, we have this. Yeah, timeline works. I can still continue where I left off. There was a feature called News and Interest, but it looks like it didn't make its way to this official release of Windows 10. So, but we might see it in 21H1. So let's take a look at that. That is not good. What do you mean Your files, apps, and settings can't be kept because your current version of Windows might be installed in an unsupported directory, or you're trying to install an older version of Windows. I'm sorry, I thought this is 21H1, not... Well, I need to... Well, that's a good start. I don't want to continue, I want to keep everything. I'm going to do an upgrade. Well, I'm going to go troubleshooting, I guess. So I spent another hour or so installing all the missing Windows updates to see if that fixes it. Well, remember the whole news and interest thing Microsoft added in this version of Windows? Well, look at that. I have it now after doing a Windows update. Yeah, so that's what it looks like here. Yeah, so nowadays it takes up half of the screen for some reason. Like, this is more tolerable. I can tolerate this. I cannot tolerate what we have now, where just when you hover over this thing, it just takes up half of the screen. Like, see things, like, and to add insult to injury, you cannot like change the size of that thing. It's like, but yeah, and we get this meet now thing, and look who showed up now. Hey, it's a blob. Now I should be able to install 21H1 without having to go through this whole weird thing again and again. No, don't install the updates. I don't want to do it. Second PC. It's probably gonna do the license agreement thing. Getting view things ready. I accept. And then, hey, look at that. It works now. All what happened was I had to update Windows. Ugh. Is it an animation that Windows Update actually fixes something? Well, I mean, to be fair, I mean, we're pretty much sort of up to date with this version of Windows. So, yeah. Meet you back in 21H1 land. Alright, this is 21H1, and yeah, we got the new wallpaper for the lock screen. So let me go ahead and sign in and take a look at what is quote-unquote new. Alright, here we are. Welcome to 21H1. So, right off the bat, we have the same old start menu with the glitched out Microsoft Edge thing. And yeah, okay, still broken. Cool. There's my people, and we should have the news and interest button here. Looks like, well, when I did the upgrade, it didn't keep that update, and it looks like I don't have the meet now thing. As you can see, we have the same thing here. Cortana is, oh, dead. I have no idea why it decided to get that profile picture, even though I don't know where it got that from. Whatever. I'm not even gonna bother. Everything looks pretty much the same, pretty much identical to what we have now. Well, it's supposed to show my used or recently used apps something, but it's weird. Anyway, yeah, maybe if I were to check for updates here and have all the minor features that was added after this ISO in particular was released. So I'm actually gonna check for updates and see what's the new stuff here. And yeah, as you can see here, we got the Windows 11 advertising here. Oh wow, that's a lot. Okay, well, we're gonna be here for a while, so yeah. Okay, so I am reading this end of support for Katana thing while Windows is doing an update. We made some changes to Windows and Microsoft 365 that will impact Cortana users. Was it completely necessary to capitalize DE? Or whoever was writing this forgot that the caps lock was on and I don't know. Oh, is it? Your Outlook account settings are out of date. Yeah, I know that, but guess what? I can't fix it because all I'm gonna get is this stupid little screen here. Alright, here we are after a restart. And yes, as you can see here, we got the news and interest. So yeah, here's the news and interest, which looks pretty identical. We got the information meet now that no one uses. And the search bar has been updated to feature a glyph here. And now you can take a look at this, which today is Nature Conservation Day. You can learn more about it by clicking on it. But yeah, as you can see here, everything looks pretty much identical. And yeah, this is still broken. Yep. Oh yeah, the Show Katana button is now hidden by default, so that's why it's Next, we're gonna take a look at 21H2. Alright, welcome to 21H2. And okay, Microsoft, what is this? Why did you... I don't even know. Okay, here we are on the desktop. Go away. Yeah, so welcome to 21H2, also known as the November 2021 update. This version of Windows was actually released a month after Windows 11 came out. Yeah, so already the writing was on the wall for Windows 10. So, but this time the news and interest is here. So yeah, so I don't need to do this whole Windows update to get it. Again, nothing major really changed. So, yep. But yeah, we're pretty much almost finished with this. But for the heck of it, let's go ahead and check for updates and install all the updates that came after the ISO was published. Alright, welcome back. So the system has been updated and oh yeah, it's the next day, aka today, because I'm actually recording a last few clips before I spend a few more minutes, 2 hours, editing this to get it out by today. But yeah, today is International Tiger Day, it looks like. And here's the, oh, what's that saying? I don't know what that said, but there we go. There's a news and interest. And yeah, as you can see, here it is, the same start menu, with the same broken, oh, yeah, oh, you had me there. Oh, it loaded my notes this time. Yeah, well, wait, where's the image? I remember there was an image here. Maybe not, maybe it's still broken. Wait, closing notebook? What? But yeah, let's move on to the last version of Windows 10, and that is 22H2. And here I am on 22H2, the last version or the last update of Windows 10. To get the full experience, I need to download all the latest updates because there have been a lot of changes under the hood. All right. After all the updates and all the weird things, welcome to the last version of Windows 10. Right off the bat, we got the newly updated lock screen. So we got the temperature here, we got the advertisements for quizzes and that. But yeah, this is the desktop. So as you can see, looks pretty identical to all the versions of Windows. The start, as you can see here, it's good. But there's something new here. If I were to hover over this. Look at that. It just takes up half of the screen. Like compared to like what we had before, where it only takes up a little bit. It's like Microsoft, just make it full screen already. Oh, this is funny. Like, boom, just half of your screen is usable, and half of it is just like filled with MSN stuff. But you may notice that there's now a blur to the background to the search bar now. Unfortunately, we still have the scar here, so. And of course, I love how this is like all like getting like piled up. I need to go ahead and remove some. Okay, for some reason the people thing isn't showing up again. That's weird. This is it. This is the last version of Windows 10. But all in all, it has been a very interesting experiment to upgrade from, well, originally they started off from Windows 7. Then I upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 8, and then 8 to 8.1, because you cannot really directly upgrade from Windows 7 to 8.1 without, you know, losing all your files. Then from Windows 8.1, I've upgraded to Windows 10 RTM, also known as 1507. Then I've upgraded from 1507 to 1511, then 1607, 1703, 1709, 1803, 1809, 1903, 1909, 2004, 20H2, 21H1, 21H2, and now 22H2, which is the last version of Windows 10. Before Windows 11 came out, and there's that. But yeah, other than that, this has been a very interesting experiment. And for that, thanks for watching.